Common Turkish Proverbs. Ayağını yorganına göre uzat. Stretch your feet according to your quilt. And literally is stretch your feet according to your quilt. English equivalent is stretch your arm no further than your sleeve will reach. Balık baştan kokar. The fish stinks from the head. Corruption starts at the top, or a fish rots from the head down. If a worker is unsuccessful and disorganized, it is because of their masters. Akıl akıldan üstündür. Mind is superior to mind. Two heads are better than one. It's always better to be open to advices and critics. Bir elin nesi var, iki elin sesi var. What does one hand have? Two hands have a voice. Literally. What does one hand have? I mean, nothing. Two hands have a voice. One hand washes the other, and together they wash the face. That's also cool. So it means more cooperation is needed. Roger. It is easy for a bachelor to divorce a wife. That's... Bekara karı boşamak kolaydır. Bekar is bachelor. Karı means wife. In a little rude way lately, because in the past it was normal. Now people call still karı yaşıyor. Hanım also. Boşamak is to divorce. Easy, kolay. It's easy for a bachelor to divorce a wife because he don't have it. He can say, yeah, just divorce someone, but it's easy for him because he don't know the hardships. Sakla samanı gelir zaman. Save the straw, its time will come. Waste not, want not. Even the most worthless thing can be valuable when the time comes. This is the mentality. Some people have this mentality. Gözden uzak olan gönülden de uzak olur. What is far from the eye will also be far from the heart. Gözden uzak olan gönülden de uzak olur. De means like to, also. To or also. Ağaç yaş iken eğilir. The tree bends when it's young. Okay, what else interesting? The devil interferes with hasty work. Haste makes waste. Before starting a job, it is expected that everything about the subject is planned and arranged. Or if you go with haste, devil can cause troubles. But if you are planned, programmed, it's harder for devil to do that. Yeah, discuss these things on Telegram, practice there, ask questions. Right now, I am constructing this Telegram. So go and join there and wait for an update because it will come. It will be a really good place to practice Turkish. There will be Turkish people who just want to help, and you also will get assistance in getting citizenship, in Turkish citizenship, Turkish residency. What else? You can buy a house. All of them. will be supported by legal entities and advisors, lawyers, real estate guys, and we will deal all your work, whatever you need. About Turkey, it will be here. Suffixes are actually the biggest part of the Turkish grammar. Which is so